I think he's terrible. I really think Cuomo and Blasio made a terrible mistake letting Amazon slip through their fingers.
Oh, that was a bad deal. That was a raw deal.
I don't know if you know where Long Island City is. That's where they were going to be.
Oh, yes.
Long Island City is a little depressed. Long Island City needs it. Why you got your head? No, to your left there. I think you're walking.
Oh my gosh.
When you have a guy in the table there, it doesn't happen.
Look at this view. You wouldn't mind if I changed that fixture, would you?
No, I don't care.
I have fixtures.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
look at that archway. Big room, big fans. No worries. I see there are plenty of lights around. Here's my office, I'm guessing. Fireplace. We have a cozy little reading nook in here. And yeah, the view, it's nuts. We'll put a couch over there. And walking down the hallway, there's a bathroom that adjoins to this bedroom with a private patio. There's another bedroom. This one does not have a patio, but it does have its own bathroom. And here we go. And this is the master bedroom with a big closet and vanity and a crazy bathroom. Oh, wild.